Good evening, all. Thank you for giving me this chance. So today we'll be seeing on the mental health predictions using artificial intelligence, machine learning, using technology, how it's going to reduce our stress level in our daily activities. As we all know that we are all in it, it might be whatever the sector, we all undergo the stresses, but some we reveal it, we outspoke it, but some we don't speak it. And sometimes we are so busy in our life that we cannot see that we are stretching ourselves and we are taking so much of stress. So my presentation will be on, poster presentation will be on that. So one of the main facets of the healthy individual is having a stable mental health condition. The use of a digital technology, particularly wearable devices, brings forth in our lives the hopes, reaching the people seeking mental wellness and the aid. Wearable offers a new technology that can decode communication and emotions. This is a way you can, or anybody, someone is actually saying without them saying it. Beyond has proven that technology works through science and international testings also. So wearable or the automotive, it pays attention to what it happens in a real life and responses with an efficient solution. Pain is a subjective feeling. It's a sensation that every human may be undergo. So there is a subjective and also an objective. So in an objective way, when we go to the hospital, only the nurses and the doctors can see it. But how, as a daily living person and daily activity, how we can sense it, or how we can perceive it, and how we can know our stress levels so that we can get a solution for that. So various physiological signals are there, like brain activity, muscle activity, endodermal activity. So here the technology, what I'm going to speak is about the electrodermal activity. So by reviewing a wearable sensors using the healthcare domains, hope to find way of wearable healthcare monitoring systems applied on pain and stress reduction. So the study was aimed actually to influence the wearable devices and the efficacy in the promotion and surveillance and execution and the improvement of the mental health and the mental health care delivery systems. So wearable are small electronic devices, as we all know, and nowadays it is a technology systems. We all wear gadgets. Okay, it says a heart rate, it says a pulse rate, it says SpO2, it says like how much calories we have burned, how much we have eaten, like everything it says. But right now, I think the stress level to be identified is a more important thing in a daily life to control our stresses, to have a healthy life. So what I feel that physical health is also important, but I give more importance to the mental health, because if the mental health gets disturbed, automatically the physical health also get disturbed. So medical devices or the wearable sensors used in pain and stress reduction. Nociception is the most relevant and effective approach for the pain detection. Even though pain is a physiological reaction, but it is a physiological reaction to a nociceptive stimuli it gives. And analgesis nociception index that is based on the heart rate variability and surgical index that been given. So as we all know, body reactions gives us a measurement to analyze our body physiological reactions, like what reactions it has been given. Like neural activity says about a EEG, heart rate says about a ECG, and respiration rate says about a strain sensors, and perspiration like EDA and cortisol, these are the EC sensors, and also our stress levels. So here comes the thing. PIP is a revolution to managing the stress. So it's a small device, okay, with a sensor, and we can attach this with any of our smartphones or any of the gadget we can attach through a Bluetooth, and it can reveal a stress level. Like PIP is a stress management device, measures the electrodermal activity using the electrical changes at the surface of the skin to provide a robust, scientifically established indicator of an individual stress response. Using proprietary algorithm and data processing technology, stress levels are displayed in a real time in PIP's apps. Now you can manage all your tasks as well as the stress that is accompanied by them. So can you see here? A small gadget is there. Okay, it is like an oval shape. Where a thumb finger is there. That is a sensor. So the PIP measures emotional stress through a heart rate, respiration, and perspiration. By holding the PIP biosensor visual, accessing one of the PIP's apps, either on your smartphone or tablet, it can measure your electrothermal activity. So through this, we can know that how much is our stress level, so that accordingly we can get a solution like meditation, relaxing, hearing music. So, but we should know, sometimes we are so busy in our work-wise, or we are so much of get involved in some of the problems in the life that we are not at all thinking about our health, or we are not at all knowing that really we are going through of so much of stress. So regular use of the PIP device allows you to train yourself to manage and modify your behavior, which can improve your health and well-being. Another one, Toronto-based Interaction, creator of a Muse EEG sensing headband, one of a handful of consumer-focused EEG wearables entering the market around the time. So, but still it is to be tested. So wearable mental health, a skin, like a private disposable, it is a multisensory, like a sticker. Okay, there's a studies going on this also. So, okay, why I have taken the variable of a pain also, because pain and the stress are interrelated and connected in many ways. Okay. And highly intertwined relation between the mechanism has been established. Stresses is a feeling of emotional and psychological stress and a state of threatened homeostasis reactions, and also the physiological processes are going on. Wearable sensors are applicable solution for such a task. In fact, type of a wearable health monitoring system, according to like these are the studies I just mentioned, so that it help our studies. Fortunately, with the help of a well-developed technique, devices of monitoring pain or the stress are becoming more and more accessible. The use of wearable sensors may allow a diagnose of pain earlier and the stress earlier, so we can come up with the solution, and as a person, we can change our behavior to control our stress, to control our stress levels, and we can get a remedy like get a spa or musical therapy or relaxation or getting a tablet, but not going beyond to the suicidal effect or not going to the effect of a depression. Okay, so, but everywhere by online doctors or artificial intelligence. So AI as far has come so much of powerful. It is helping our healthcare sector to, in a diagnostical way of identifying the in earlier, we can identify the things so that we can have a preventable aspect. Wearable technology undoubtedly can provide enormous benefits to healthcare providers and patients, as is supported by the findings we have presented above. And studies show that longer a device was used, we can monitor a patient, the easier the healthcare providers could understand the problem of a patient, what exactly they need. So through all the data collected from the wearable device, clinicians can reach a more accurate diagnosis. So as you all know, see, there's a saying also, prevention is better than, so early the stage, it might be cancer or it might be anything. Okay, earlier we identify it, we can cure it. That is the most important thing. So the criteria set forth this for this review, we showed the usage of a wearable device in a mental health signifies improves the real-time cognitive assessment of mental conditions, supports the clinicians in the direction and also in the treatment, promotes the mental wellness. The overall uses acceptability and intention of integrity of the devices and affirmative effect on promoting the health. So we are all here as per icons. There are more the patient talk outlet themselves in their health wise, like they have a pain or they have any of the organs disorders or anything, they come up with it. But in mental problems or anything, they don't just come up, they think, oh, it's just a stress because of these, it just that. No, we should not, because these are the things which is going to go and give a more other prognosis to the diseases. So using innovative devices as an essential in the continuous development of the healthcare, particularly in the mental health care, we should be giving importance. Finally, these wearable devices are still in the discovery stages. Further research on the use of the wearable devices and the issues should be addressed, such as user acceptance. Like people should know, like now the PIP, as I said, it's a small device. It should be aware of, it should be like, we should make aware for all the people, community people, so that they can use it and get use of that. And issues should be addressed, such as user acceptance, security, ethics, and data concerns to enhance the usability and functions of these devices for particular and also a practical use. We should like make it user practice. And by the feedback of the users only, we can improve the gadgets or whatever the technology, especially to contributing to the mental health. Thank you.